Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I'm James, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Are you ready to dive into some fundamental English lessons?
Hi, James. Yes, I'm absolutely ready and excited to learn more English today. Hello to all our listeners as well.
Wonderful, Sophia. Let's start with greetings. A greeting is how we say hello. In English, we use words like hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Just simple ways to start a conversation. Can you say hello with me?
Sure, James. Hello, everyone. Wow, these greetings are super useful for starting any chat. Good morning. Good afternoon, it feels quite nice to say.
That's the spirit. Now, Sophia, when someone greets you, you often reply with, hello, how are you? And when asked, you can say, I am fine, thank you. Want to give it a go?
Of course. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you, James. Using these phrases in conversations will surely boost my confidence.
Great job, Sophia. Let's keep the momentum going by learning numbers. Numbers are crucial for everyday communication. Let's count from 1 to 10 together, all right?
Ready when you are, James. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that, I did it. Numbers feel more approachable as we practice together.
Excellent work, Sophia. Numbers are everywhere, so it's something you'll use constantly. Let's move on to learning the days of the week. There are 7 days, listen carefully. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
7 days, I got it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, James, Wednesday is a bit tricky to pronounce.
A common challenge. But don't worry, we say it like this. Wednesday. The D is silent. Let's say it slowly together. Wednesday. There you go.
Wednesday. Got it. Thank you, James, for breaking it down. Mastering the days of the week will help me plan my week better.
Now, shifting to something more visual, let's talk about common objects around you. Things like a book, a pen, a chair, and others. Do you see any of these items, Sophia?
I do. I see a book, a pen, and, oh, there's a chair and a window nearby. Learning the names of these items makes identifying them easier.
Perfect! Being able to name these objects helps you navigate through daily tasks. Now, let's dive into a fun topic, food and drinks. What do you usually eat or drink every day, Sophia?
I usually eat rice and bread. And for drinks, tea and water are my go-tos. It's fascinating to learn the English words for these common foods and drinks.
That's great, Sophia. In English, we say rice, bread, egg, fruit, milk, water, tea, and juice. Let's practice making sentences with them.
Sure thing. I eat rice. I drink water. This structure is so straightforward yet informative. I'll practice it to talk about my meals more confidently.
Exactly, Sophia. Lastly, let's talk about daily activities. Things like waking up, eating breakfast, going to school, reading a book, watching TV, and going to sleep. How would you describe your daily routine?
In the morning, I wake up and eat breakfast. Then, I head to school. These simple sentences outline my routine well. It's a great way to start talking about my day.
You've got it, Sophia. Simple and clear sentences make it easy to communicate daily activities. Keep practicing, and you'll surely improve.
Thanks, James. English doesn't feel as daunting when we take it one step at a time like this. I'm eager to continue learning.
Wonderful work today, everyone. We explored greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, and daily activities. Keep practicing these words every day. The key is to be patient and kind to yourself. See you next time.
Goodbye, James, and thank you so much. I'll make sure to practice every day now. And goodbye to all our listeners. Keep up the great work.